An essential letter for pronunciation of Ukrainian national dish. Also a tricky one for the beginners. It's letter sh, like in word borscht. Hi you learners, Natalia here. In this lesson I will teach you how to pronounce Ukrainian letter sh. Stay tuned and let's begin. The letter sh consists of two sounds, and as soon as you memorize them, I guarantee you will never mispronounce word with sh ever again. So sh consists of sounds sh and ch. One letter, two sounds. In letter sh and ch are pronounced one by one without a pause, like this. Sh, ch, sh, sh, ch, sh. Also, letter sh and ch cannot be soft in Ukrainian language. They are always hard. It means that letter sh is always hard too. In English, combination of sh and ch is not common inside of words, although it may occur on the junction of the words, like in push chairs. As a beginner, you can pronounce all the sounds one by one until you get used to them as a sound combinations. Enough of theory, let's now practice pronouncing sh at the end of the words. Borscht, bo-r-sh-ch. Kuszcz, ku-sz-cz. Plaszcz, pla-sz-cz. Doszcz, dosz-cz. Now try to read sh in syllables with vowels. Szcza, szczo, szczu, szcze, szczy, szci. Now try to read these words out loud before I do. Щасливий, щось, щука, щедрий, щипці, щітка. That's it. I would really love for you to share your progress in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to your learner for more Ukrainian language tips and lessons. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Bye!